Hi there, welcome to lesson 4. Now, in our quest to clean data, we are going to drop things that are not wanted. It's just like cleaning your room. You throw some things in the trash. You don't need them. You don't need them, so you just throw them away so that the room looks spick and span. All the clutter in the data is removed. And there are two basic ways of doing that: observations and variables. So, I mentioned in I think lesson 2 about the framework for cleaning data, and framework 4 and 5 is what we address in this particular video. We drop some things we don't need, or we keep what we need. So we had explained this variable syntax to you, so we'll drop a link in the description where there's a practical session where there's more detail than a longer video. But some variables need to be kept, just like when you're cleaning your room or cleaning your house or cleaning anywhere. Some things are kept, some things are trashed. So this is the variable that keeps stuff, which is like the opposite of the one that drops stuff. So basically, we must just remember those two principles here. We're dropping observations and we're dropping variables, or we're keeping observations and keeping variables, just to align with the completeness. So thank you so much for watching. You can refer to the other videos we had shared and be able to catch up with speed if you have not watched that. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in lesson 5, where we'll be talking about renaming variables.